Hello guys, this is Xera NIO and today I'm going to be showing you my new scripting system for Xera Premium NIO framework. Okay, we're just going to start out with the most basic of the scripts. Hello world. Alright, all the script does is print hello out to the console as the comment describes. Every single script has to be housed inside a Xera script file format. So hello.xs Xera script. And everything in here is procedural. Everything will happen line by line. It reads from top to bottom. So if we have print, I don't know, mayonnaise, I don't know. It will print hello first, then mayonnaise. Okay, and I've already implemented this script hello, so that'll run on startup right here. And I already implemented the required lines for the script. It's really easy to add new lines, and it's really easy to add new scripts. Okay, so I'm just going to show you with this script hello. That's all it does. Simply prints out hello to the console like the script describes. But let's say we want to test out some features with the script. I already made the file for us to test it out. Alright, so what we want to do first is, I don't know, I want to show you guys how to create a new line, the new command line for the script. First of all, we need to add what that line is called into our script line manager. Line map.put, and then this is the line, actual, like, what you'll have to do. I'll just call it donuts. I don't know. Donut new line. And notice we didn't add this scripting line yet. Now we have to go ahead and add an implementation of a script line called donut line. Implements script line. Import that script line interface and add the unimplemented methods. Now we'll give this script line a nice description, describing about what it does. Change the author to my name, and prints donuts out to the command line 5 times. Now we'll just go ahead and we'll have a loop. This will loop 5 times. In I equals 0, I is less than 5, I plus plus. So this is out.println donuts. Alright, so now it's going to print donuts out to the command prompt 5 times when the line donut line is executed. And notice we're not taking anything from arguments, and we're not using anything to do with the script that executed it. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you the script line interface. The script line interface represents a line in a script as described here. When we process the script line, it requires the script that ran the line and the arguments that we can grab from that were specified in the actual script code, script syntax. So I'm going to show you how the syntax works in a bit. I'll show you. Every line that starts with a pound symbol, not British pound, but the actual, like, some people call it number symbol, I call it pound symbol. And pretty much this is just a comment, maybe I'll tell it, print donuts 5 times to the command line. Every line that starts with this is completely ignored. We won't process that line. Okay, now donuts. Since there's no arguments to give, we can just have an open and close paren. Alright, and finally, we're going to make that script test run and load on startup. So load script test and run the script test. Okay. Now let's go ahead and see what happens. You see donuts is printed 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry. From our new script line donut line. But what if we want to use some arguments? So I don't know, print out something at a delayed rate. We'll have to create something like an event. It'll submit an event to the world. An event is a scheduled task to the world, and after a certain amount of time, which we can specify in the arguments, it'll print out whatever the second argument is. So I'll just call this scripting line, event line, prints out a statement after a specified time in millis is, I don't know, I could just leave it like that. I don't really need to specify anything like that. Alright, implement script line. Okay, in our script line, we're going to first check if the length of the arguments is required. We need at least two arguments. Otherwise, we're going to turn back and say, uh-oh, we're not going to be able to process this script. And we could do something like add a little message saying, couldn't print event line or something like that, because arguments not found. But anyway, submit a new event of integer parse integer from a string, the first argument, import world, import event. And by the way, this submit event tags along with my task system, and an event is really just a task, but you can schedule the task to be performed in the future. So we can use this submit task event on an event, and we can even use that onto a tickable, which is an implementation of a RuneScape game cycle, which is 600 milliseconds long, and that extends an event, which makes that also a task. So what we're going to do is we're just going to print out to the system console the second argument, and we'll also make this final. And then we're going to stop the event because we don't want this to continuously repeat. And that's all the code we need, and now this event line will work. But now we need to add it so that when a command in the script is processed, it knows which command or script line to execute. Sorry, new event line, and I'll just have the keep saying command line. The script line name be print event. So we'll leave that other script content there. Prints hi to the console after 3 seconds. Print event. This is the amount of delay, as we showed the first argument, 3000, which is 3 seconds, 3000 milliseconds, 3 seconds, and the content that we want to print out, second argument, which shown here, gets printed out to the console. So that's all we have to do, and it's going to wait 3000 milliseconds, 3 seconds, and then print out hi to the console, just like the comment describes. So we're gonna just run donuts, blah blah blah. 3 seconds later, hi is printed out to the console. Thank you guys for watching my scripting system. The link for the source is in the description. Please don't redistribute it. It's completely mine and Fabian M's content. You guys can modify it all you want. See ya.